We asked for our physical fitness experts to put together a listing that is compact ofs and don'ts for every single newbie to follow. So for anyone who have taken that healthier decision to obtain the couch off and commence working out, we say, bravo. You have taken the step that is initially a wholesome mind, body and character. A number of concerns, doubts will slide into your mind. Just how long should I work out? Do I must work out each and every day? On the right track, so we've put together this standard list setting you only apply these do that as fundamental and don'ts in your workout regimen, and luxuriate in an excellent starting to this brand new lifestyle. 1. Easy does it. Many professionals state that for newbies, it is great in the first place 2/3 days per, as well as for at the very least 30 minutes per session week. After that you can slowly crank it up after that. Do not focus on a tough daily program, easy can it. Start with 30 minutes of cardio 2/3 times a week and weight training once per week. Continue this for just 2 to 3 months until this regime becomes a component that is important of everyday program. 2. Warm up and stretch. Always, constantly, warm up very first. Just take your body through fundamental moves that will loosen and extend your muscles. This can make sure your human anatomy executes at a degree that is optimum. More important, you eliminate injury dilemmas. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. 3. Never stick to the same set of exercises. It is an error that is common by numerous beginners. Do not stick to the set that is same of every time. Combine it up. Alternate between the 3 primary types of workout: cardiovascular, anaerobic and versatility. Aerobic fitness exercise is exercise which requires the utilization of air to fuel the real body for exercise demands. This kind of workout is typically regarded as cardio workouts, such as for example running on a biking or treadmill machine. Anaerobic exercise is just a type of exercise that needs sugar for quick workloads that are intense. Power sprinting and training tend to be types of anaerobic workout. 4. Weight training exercise. The point that is fantastic basic bodyweight education for novices is the fact that it is possible to, being a beginner, train from everywhere, also from your home. You can also begin working on at home with only a workout musical organization that is basic. You can find exceptional videos with fundamental workout band exercises. All you've got to do is choose and follow one of many much better ranked movies. Dumbbells are another smart way of beginning weight training that is basic. When compared with barbells, dumbbells look far less intimidating for beginners. Dumbbells have an additional stabilization challenge, and point down muscle tissue imbalances pretty effortlessly. For people who wish to start weight training exercise by having a bit more intensity, barbells is obviously the actual means ahead. If your objective is strength most of all, here is the choice we recommend. Barbells allow you to progress plainly and quickly, letting you include small increments of body weight every week. 5. Give your body recovery time that is adequate. Take a break, sporadically. No pain, no gain. So when you start working completely, really, that's a great sign. You are on the right track if you learn yourself harming during the preliminary stages. But, never make the error of pushing you to ultimately the restriction rather than providing the human body time that is adequate. Heal. Additionally, prevent painkillers that are taking because they just mask the pain sensation. The way that is most beneficial forward is allow your body heals obviously. Your overall performance goes down and you will enter into a vicious pattern where you never completely recuperate if you don't offer your system time for you heal and repair. And in case you might be sore after having a exercise, that is good unless it hurts a lot of. Do not set you back take a painkiller, because that may mask pain and cause you to do damage that is real the human body. Let yourself recover normally. If you love this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.